Hi everyone, Cheryl Seco here behind the camera showing you our trailer. We have a Alto by Safari condo. This is a small trailer that ideally I think is for 2 people. You can have bunk beds in the front, which we don't have, so it could be used with little people. Let's go inside. It is made in Canada, in Quebec, and we had it made there and went up and had to go to Quebec City to pick it up. So you can see this side, and I'll just give you a little tour of the other side, and then we'll go inside quickly, and I'll give you a tour of the inside. So the black part is all windows and that raised. So when we travel, that comes down, all the windows get shut, and it's very lightweight and very aerodynamic, and it's very easy to raise the roof. That's electric. So let's go inside. Okay. So if I look in here, you can see that we're getting ready to go. So we got stuff sitting around, but we have 2 chairs and a table on this side under this window that opens really well. There's a refrigerator right there. We got a fly swatter hanging on the wall there. And on this area, we have the sink. There's storage below, and then this is a cooktop. Well, this is a drainage mat that I have sitting there because we never use the cooktop, but this is the cooktop. And so we've made, I think, water in here once, but mostly we cook outside. And then I have storage here. Again, you can see this area. And these are some of the controls, including the solar that's charging the battery right now with a happy face. And then back here is the bed. And so this right now, this could be 2 twin beds. The gray back there is a bedroll, which we have, we made it. And it's 2 wool toppers, mattress toppers that are twin, because it's a king size bed. But I used a queen duvet cover in organic cotton that I covered it with, and then we roll that up, and then there's also a duvet cover over it that's rolled up in there with a blanket, a light blanket, and we unroll that to go to sleep. And then those 2 back pads that look like they're at the back of the couch right now actually go in this opening, and they fill that in, and then it becomes the bed. But you can see outside the big windows, and it's really great. That is the window that opens. But you can see there is an exhaust fan in the roof, and so because that's pulling air out, it's really very powerful, also super quiet, and it really brings the air blowing in. So from this side, you can see the bed here, and then we have drapes so that if somebody's going to bed and the other person needs to have a light on over there, they can do that. There's some drapes, and you can see over here the window. And then on this side we have this. Some people put a microwave in here. We just use it for storage because we don't use a microwave. Let's see, I think I showed you this storage. That below here is more storage. Those actually pull out. They're like drawers that pull out, but we have bins in there so that we can store stuff. And then you can see how big the refrigerator is. It's pretty big. It's definitely bigger than the one we used to have, and it has a freezer, which is super fun. We like that. And then on this side, this is actually the toilet compartment. There is a bigger version that this could be a shower, but it does take out a little bit of the bed. So we opted for the full bed width. And then in here you can see the toilet, but the toilet's down there. We actually put in the shelf above the toilet, and we put in the shelf on top. Those are velcroed in, and we added the clothes rod, and there's some shelves back here, stuff in it. And then so we each have our own bin for clothes, and then we hang these things here for clothes as well. So we use it as a closet. We actually have never used the toilet, so we always camp at places that have toilets. And if we don't do that, we have other options that are not inside the camper. So, yeah, so that's a look at the inside of the Safari condo. And you can check them out online. If you end up buying one, tell them that I sent you. Oh, we do have some storage under here. Let's see, and down there, I think that's our shower bag. And there's storage on the other side. And we do have hot water, hot and cold water. That's really nice. Got to make sure you turn all this stuff off when you travel. And yeah, so that's the Safari Condo trailer. I'm Cheryl Seco, avoidingmold.com. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer any questions. And if, like I said, if you buy one, mention that you heard about it from me. And I think I don't know, maybe they'll give us some gift certificate for a free ice cream cone or something. I don't know. So I hope this was interesting and helpful. And we love it. So we're going to be out and about someday soon, enjoying the out of doors. Bye.
If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe. For more free information on safe building, avoiding mold, and water damage, visit avoidingmold.com.